Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Gaggia Espresso grinder with us in the shop. And it came in for one of the reasons being that the grind was not coming out well. Usually when that happens, either you have a lot of coffee clogged up in the machine, which we did, but even after cleaning that, going back to grinding, the burrs were just dull, and that's totally normal after heavy use of a grinder for this amount of years. And so I went in there, replaced both of the burrs. We ran into a few technical issues, and then the motor actually is starting to, waver, but actually it started sounding better the more I used it. And so putting new burrs in there, it gets a really nice grind. I did calibrate the grinder to more of an espresso blend. I have it on 7 right now. Going to 1, it's really, really fine, like almost powdered sugar. But we're going to just take this off, and we're just going to grind a bit. On number 7. It is a little loud, but it is a flatbed grinder, so we'll start pumping out. Just empty all this out. And then we're going to go to the coarser setting by moving this knob just to kind of show your range. 34 would be the coarsest, but as you can see here, this is a nice espresso blend, or espresso grind, nice and powdery. You could even go further. I only put on 7, but you could go all the way to 1. And I've tested 1. It works well. It just takes quite a while to grind coffee out of it. Now we're going to try grinding coarser setting. Coarser settings, of course, will grind way quicker. And this is more like a cold brew type of grinder if you're using any sort of other brewing method. This is the coarsest you could get on it. And then you have, of course, in between from 34 to 1. But yeah, and there's that for you. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.